In this video, I'll show you how to change your product order in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, let's first click on this View Your Store right here in order to see the order first. So as of right now, the order is like this, which is hat, pants, and t-shirt. So what we can do is you can head over in here to our dashboard, then click on our products right here. Then from in here, click on this collections. And then once you have done that, you can see in here that we have a collection, which is this one. So let's click on this homepage collection. And in here, you can add the products that you want to add. So for example, for this, let's add the products, which is pants and hat, and click on done. And then as you can see on default, it will be hat, pants, and t-shirt, but you can sort this by A to Z or also Z to A, which will change the actual browsing process. You also choose this as lowest price, highest price, newest, oldest, and manually. So let's choose this in here for the Z to A. After that, as you can see, this will be our new actual domain or actual category. Now let's head back. And then once you have done that, head over to our store again. Then refresh your store. And then it will take some time for this in order to see what the catalog has reflected. So in here, you can sort this alphabetically by Z to A, just like this. You can also put in here price, height, low. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.